Hi friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical Sim again. Today we are coming out with an option scalping, simple scalping technique. Okay, this is our YouTube channel Alpha Technical Sim. Please subscribe to our channel. Newcomers, also there is a bell icon. Please press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications. Okay, friend. Let's go get into the strategy. Please concentrate on the video, listen to it carefully, understand each and every point because every point is important. Okay, also watch the video completely, fully. Do not skip the videos and see. And then people ask me basic question whether to scalp in call or in put. Hmm? Please don't get offended. It's a humble request. Please watch the video completely. Every step, every aspect of this video is important. It's a very simple technique. In fact, to tell the simplest of all the scalping techniques what I have put. This is my fifth video on Bank Nifty option scalping. Okay, so this will be the simplest form of scalping. Even the newcomer can use it for your scalping techniques. Okay, let us get into the strategy first. Okay, before going to that, I want you people to look at this. Okay, this is a candlestick cheat state sheet cheat sheet. Okay, what you have to observe is you have to observe this candle and this candle. Okay, you have to observe only these two candles for these two candle like hammer and dragonfly doji for bullish candle pattern. Only these two for bullish candle pattern. Okay, fine friends. Now we'll see what we have to do for our bearish candle pattern. Okay, for bearish candle we have to look for a shooting star, gravestone doji for bearish candle pattern. That's all, very simple. Only if you are able to identify these things in a chart, you will be able to scalp it very easily. Okay friends, clear? Now we'll go to Zerodha chart. We'll pop out futures. Okay, fine. This is the futures chart. What you have to add is VWAP. This is the blue color line is the VWAP, volume and moving average on volume. So this is not relevant, but still I add and keep it as a standard. Okay, Bank Nifty futures star, same thing applies for even in Nifty futures. 1 minute chart, you just check 1 minute, go to studies, you can see VWAP is added and 1 minute candle. That's all. That is more than. How do we trade? Any idea? Okay, now I will tell you how to trade. This is the VWAP candlesticks. Okay, we go to paint. See, this is our VWAP. Okay, blue color line is the VWAP. Okay, candles will form like this. Okay, above VWAP and below VWAP. Above VWAP will scalp for put. This is a reverse. Okay, below VWAP will call only, will scalp for only call. Clear? Here put above, here call. Very simple. How do we scalp? See, this is the first rule. Second rule is it has to be the, if you are scalping for put, the candle which you are scalping should be the highest of the day or near to the highest of the day. You can't scalp somewhere here in between. Okay, it should be the highest of the day or near to the highest of the day. Same way in call, it should be the lowest of the day or nearer to the lowest of the day, not somewhere here. Okay, I will teach you how to observe and scalp in futures. Okay, futures chart very clear. Highest of the day, lowest of the day, here put, here call, and near to the lowest or near to the highest. Clear, friends? It's a very simple technique. Okay, here see this today's chart. Okay, this is the first candle. What we have to look is, I told you, no, candle pattern which has got long wick and small body. See here, long wick and small body, long wick and this is the ideal condition. Okay, like this we look. If it is above VWAP, we will be trading in the put and nearer to the day's high. This was the first candle, second candle, third candle. Third candle is nearest to the high. High is here. That's what I call nearest to the high. So it formed a candlestick pattern. There is a rejection from the top and small body and long wick. This low breaks, you scalp. Okay, we'll check in the options data. What is this low? 18,846. So we'll check what is 18,800 put. We'll pop out 18,800 put and see what was happening at that particular time. Okay, this is today's, right? It starts today. Bank Nifty futures will check what is the time. It is 9:17. At 9:17 what happened? This is the 9:17 candle. This candle high breaks because there it is breaking low. Here buying the put. See here, 221 to the high of 327, almost 100 points. Nobody will teach you to scalp for 100 points. That is such a simple technique without any indicators. Okay, 100 points. But you have to be very fast. In understanding, recognizing the candlestick pattern, and then taking the particular strike also. If you are fast enough, definitely you will be able to trade, make good money. One good trade, two good trades in a day, that should be good enough for you. Okay, now above VWAP we scalp for put, below VWAP we will scalp for call. See, this was a very good pattern, but the low is here. You can see there is a big stick here. Low is here. This is not nearest to the low. Either it should be the low or nearest to the low, otherwise we don't scalp. Now it has gone above VWAP, so we only concentrate on put. Here the body is big. Okay, here body is big. It has come down. You can see here there is a very good low, the nearest low. Okay, the latest low. Okay, so we'll scalp here. What is happening here? So understand, this was the low in the morning. Again, that will be the low, there is no doubt. The nearest low we can scalp. Okay, or if you have got doubt about this, you just leave it, don't scalp it. Where you are confident that is the highest or lowest, you can scalp, or nearest to the low. If you don't understand, just leave it. Okay, see, this is the high, recent high. This is not nearest to the recent high. Okay, you cannot scalp here. One more high forms here. This is the nearest to the high, you can scalp here. That is what the meaning. If you are confident, you scalp, otherwise you don't scalp here. Okay, then still we'll check what has happened. What is the high here? 18,800. Okay, now we'll check 18,800 call. We'll pop out 18,800 call and see what has happened at that particular time also. What is the time? 10:06. 18,800 at 10:06. See at 10:06. What is the high here? 207. It went up to 276. Came down. Again it went up to 326, 360. You can exit wherever you want. Okay. Minimum is the range of the candle. In my opinion, with my experience, it gives minimum 2 times the candle range. Okay. 290, 209, it is about 19 points. 38 points, that 40 points you can scalp easily. 2 times the candle range it will give. Now we'll go to futures again. Okay, here over we'll see here. Try to take as far as possible from the VWAP, such that the market will come back near VWAP. Market will always tend to come back near VWAP. If it is down, it will come back to the VWAP. If it is in the top, then also it will come back to VWAP. You can see any trades are there. You can see there is one trade, but this is not the highest. High is broken, so it is not valid. Okay, keep on checking for the trades. Okay, here also there is one trade. Okay, but it is not the highest. If nearest to the high, you can trade 19,200. You can check 19,200 what happened. Okay, here you can see this high is not broken. Okay, 19,451. Here it is 19,450. Is 451. Okay, we scalp only put if it is above VWAP. Okay, fine friends. See here, here is a beautiful candle has come. What is the time? 14:27. What is the low? 19,400. We will see 19,400 put. What happened to 19,400 put? We'll add 19,400 put. Okay, we'll pop out the chart. What was the time here? 19,404. Recent high is this. Okay, recent high is this 19,404. Okay, time, sorry, 14:27. 14:27. 19,400 put 14:27. Here it is. You can see it is around 81. 81 to it went up to 140. What is the range? 65 to 82. 75, 85, 20 means 40 points, about 40 points, nearly 40 points. Okay, 78, 82, 92, 102, 112, 122. It went down to 146. Okay, 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4 ratios it will work. Okay, wherever you want you exit, or if you want you can add PSAR, parabolic SAR. Okay, one of my students has recommended to add parabolic SAR with these settings 0.02 and 0.1. Okay, when parabolic SAR is triggered, gives a sell signal, you can exit. That when it is in a bigger range it will work. It is smaller range it may not work. It may, I don't know, you please check. Okay, or you can add what you call moving average. Moving average you can add 8. Why you add 8? That's exponential. When it comes back and touches, or one candle closes below, you can use PSAR, or you can use the range. Wherever you want to exit, I am giving you idea to enter the market with some technicality. Whatever may be your price point, 10 points, 20 points, 30 points, always have range of the candle minimum 2 times, 3 times, or you can follow the moving average, or you can follow the PSAR. PSAR has given buy signal here, it comes, it has given sell signal here. Okay, so you enter here, you follow the PSAR, or you can follow the moving average. 8 moving average will be better. Okay, now again we'll go to futures. This is one trade, nearest to the low or higher than this is this one. Here you can check 19,004, again 19,400. What is the time? 1453. 19,400, 1453. You can see the 1453 candle is here. What is the range? 24 to 36, about 12 points. Where is it has gone up to 134. Okay, don't worry about VWAP, other things. You just, if below VWAP, will scalp for call. So put above VWAP. Sorry, this is above VWAP, so we'll scalp for put. Again here you can see you can scalp, but the body and the wick is both are equal, so we will not scalp here. Okay, it should be little below here. Then you can, like this is idle. This candle is there, no? This candle is an ideal candle. We have to look for candles like this. Like this candle. See, like these candles. Here what is happening is, this green candle, the body and the wick are equal. If you want, if you are experienced, you can scalp, others don't scalp. Okay friends, clear? Hope it is clear to people how to scalp in a simple technique. Okay, if it is below VWAP, we'll scalp only for call. See here, for example, little big candle it should be. You can scalp here also. Call. What is the call? 19,742. It went up to about 400 points. 19,750 to 20,100. See here, you can scalp here. Okay, let it go higher high. See here, idle candle is this one. Superb candle is this. You can check here, this candle. See here, what is the movement? 20,166 to 19,973. 20,166, 166 point plus 120.25, 66, 76, 200, about 200 points. Definitely options could have moved at least 50 to 60 points here. 20,100 put, if you check yesterday, it could have moved. Okay, fine friends. Any other doubts, you can ask me through the questions. Okay, don't ask me whether to scalp in call or put. Okay, please ask some genuine and logical questions where answering is interesting to me, and the answers are learning for you and for others also. Fine friends, use 1 minute chat. It's a big candle with the wick bottom or on the top. You can start scalping. Please subscribe to our channel. Okay, without fail. Also press the bell icon. See you soon with one more video as simple as this scalping techniques. Good. Bye bye friends. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.